Hello everyone. Today, me and Joseph, what we are doing is cutting his nails. Where are you running away, Joseph? Come. Yeah, come on. Yeah, so I already cut his nail with the nail clipper. That's the best choice for me and Joseph because it's really fast and quick and without any pain. If you know if how much like you have to cut it or no. And um, right now I'm just gonna do the filing his nails with this guy. Yeah. We can use I have this one. I can use this one, but because Joseph nails it's kind of a little bit long right now. I'm gonna do it with this one with the good speed, not too fast, not too slow, so his nails not gonna get warm and gonna bother him. Come on, come on, Joseph. Good boy. Yes, good job. There you go, Mr. Joseph came back. Did you say hi? Don't go up. Don't go up. Come on, go down. Down, down, down. Time to do your nails, Joseph. No, good boy. Stay, stay. There you go. Good job, Joseph. Thank you so much for Joseph to be my patient today to show you guys how to do the nail filing. So basically, what I did, I just cut his nails. I already did, but a couple of them it's still long, like like this one. It's about maybe 5/8 to 5/8 to 3/4 the length. I could go another 1/8, and the rest they are about like 1/8 longer than what it should be. So I'm not gonna cut because already I cut couple of places. And Joseph was he was a really good boy. He was keep telling me good boy without like even doing like this or anything to bother me. Good job. Okay, so now we're gonna start doing his nails. Good boy, Joseph. Ready? No moving, okay? Good boy. No. Good job. You know what? For his nails, this thing because they have a vibration, I'm not gonna use it. I can feel Joseph getting sensitive, so I'm just gonna use the uh, filing, nail filing, something like that. I don't know what they call it. I forgot. Joseph is more comfy like this way, so we don't use the machine for his nails. I tried before. It was same thing. Like it has a vibration. So Joseph wants. He was really sensitive. So I stopped doing it. But I said today, let's do it again. See how it's gonna work. But I saw Joseph feel it too again. So I'm not gonna use the machine to file his nails. Most of the birds they're gonna feel that vibration. Doesn't matter what kind of machine you guys gonna use. So I suggest you guys to use the nail filing. They are more comfy. The birds more comfy, right, Joseph? Hmm. Good boy. Good job, Joseph. No moving. This side, this side, this side. Pop, daddy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good job, Joseph. Helping Daddy, huh? Good boy. Sorry about the noise. My mom, she's cooking. We have no choice to keep the fans on because we care about Joseph. Right, Joseph? Good boy. Yeah, let's go next one. Oh, and one more thing. That's the surprise. Guess what? We got our new internet, so it's gonna be really fast. We're gonna have live stream. I really missed you guys in live stream. So hopefully either tonight or tomorrow night we're gonna continue our live streaming with Joseph. So he gonna have spending more time with us, you guys, and yeah, good boy. No biting. Don't make hole on my t-shirt, Joseph. Good job. Good boy. Next one. Next one. Good boy. Good job. Good job, Joseph. Good boy. Do you want to do it too? Yeah. Now? No moving. No moving. Okay, you want to take a break? Sure. Take a break. There you go. But remember, Joseph, it's not finished yet. Okay? Don't tell me you have poop. Okay. I trust you, Joseph. You might have poop. Let's go, poop. Promise Daddy you're gonna come out to finish your nails. Okay? Good boy. Poop. I'm waiting, Joseph. Poop. Joseph? Don't be a liar. Joseph, I'm not finished with your nails yet. Okay. I guess I'm gonna give you a little more break time, huh? When you finish, let me know, Joseph. Okay, good boy?